Hi! In front of me is Vivo Y21S, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. You need to start by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down right away to access About Phone section at the bottom. Now click on this pen next to Device Name section and type in wherever you wish to. In my case, summer. When you finished, choose OK in the pop-up. And as you can see, after that, name of my Vivo has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!